Yeah, good morning. You're welcome to FXPG Global Limited. And today, being 27th of July, 2022, is going to be an amazing day for USD to determine what the economy fate will be. Like I always say this, building career in forex trading start with taking the time to do all you can against all odds to transform your financial life by efficiently navigating the financial market, just like banks and other financial institutions through the training and mentorship of FXPG platform. You're welcome. And today, being the 27th, we will actually be going through our weekly analysis, which we did on Monday from 25th to 29th. And there is need for this particular update for also review what we have done and what is playing out in the market if there is need for an update, and also for us to also get abreast of the current market condition. So we'll be looking at all the pairs: dollar index, Euro USD, GPUSD, USD AUD, USD Aud Usd, USDCAD, USDJPY, USDCHF, NZDUSD, Gold, Nasdaq, and US30. And also, I would like us to also know that we'll be giving updates like this on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Then why every Saturdays we will be uploading our weekly market analysis. And let's go straight up. If you want to become our student, kindly visit fxpreneur.com.ng. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification button so you'll be kept abreast anytime we upload content. So let's go straight up to what we have for today. We know that today we'll be having the FOMC statement, and that has to do with the Fed statement, the interest rate, the monetary policy of US government, and this will be by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, and so having known this, let's go straight up. So be careful and don't hold trade till that particular time. That time, this news will be high impact news, as you can see here. So let's go straight to what we're looking at for today. Straight to dollar index. Yeah, this was what we analyzed that was going to happen. All right, as you can see, they entered this fair value gap just as we analyzed, and then find their way up to this level. And as you can see, now we wanted them to take away this liquidity resting above this level and hit a particular order block. Now when they get here, they begin to come down to this level. So between here and here, we'll have this. We'll have this fair value gap here. So we'll be expecting dollar to get a little stronger this morning. So I'm taking this out now. I want to really see this. To this level, then down. This is what I will be expecting to see. I'd like them to do this, go up this way, take away the weight that is resting above this level, then come down. Trend line liquidity is already taken out. So well, taking out this trend line liquidity. We're taking out this trend line liquidity. So this is what I really want to see. I want to see them pull back into this level, then hit this level, then come down. This is what I would like to see on this particular index. But let's watch it and see what the details will give to us. But this is what my bias will be guided with, guided by as I take my trade for today. So I'll be expecting dollar to get a little stronger the weaker this morning. Then after once London opens, I would like to see them get stronger. All right, taking away this particular level. All right, then I'll look for a way to sell within the news. So depending on what the news give us, if the news come out positive or negative, then we'll know how to go about that. Let's go straight to the next one. And this is EURUSD, just the same way as it was analyzed. As you can see, guys, it played out exactly as it was analyzed. So we analyzed that it's going to pull back down to this level, then to go to the upside. As you can see, that is exactly what we got. So right now, what are we looking at now? As you can see here, we have a fair value gap here, based on the momentum that this guy came back with. Of course, we know that they broke structure and they returned back to this particular order block here to go back up. But it won't just be as fast as we're looking at it right now. We still want to see this guy play into this level, then look for a way to do what, to begin to dangle around or look for a way to close this thing. So our analysis still remain valid, the same, but I would like to see them do something like this. Ordinarily, it demands that once it trade into this fair value gap, it should flush below this particular level. But I have not seen them taking away this particular level, though euro is still very, very weak. All right. But then what will be guided by until we see a break of market above this particular level, all right, before we continue with this previous buyers. But for now, this is what I will be looking at, all right, before I will have something like this to go to the upside. And so one may be asking me, why am I looking at this? I want to see them trade into this fair value gap. All right. Once they come into this particular fair value gap, I want to see them trade into this particular fair value gap. Once traded into the particular fair value gap, I want to see them come back down to take away this liquidity and give us reason to do what, to take a trade to the upside. That is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. I want to see this happen. So I'm taking these out and this out. This is what I want to see on this pair. Then I want to have this level drawn. So watch out to see what the market gives us, but this is what I'll be expecting. Let's go straight to another one. Mind you, we'll have this trend line liquidity from here down to this level. And I would like to see this liquidity taken out. Can I use this? So I would like to see this trend line liquidity taken out. That is why I'm saying this. I'd like to see this trend line liquidity taken out, trade into this, flush down this liquidity, then go to the upside, take away this buy side liquidity that is resting above here. So that is what I want to see on this particular pair. Then the next one, the GPUSD. The GPUSD is performing exactly as you analyze, as you guys can see. And let me go to 1 hour so you can see analysis and see how it's playing by analysis. This is what we analyze as what's going to happen. So we say they will come down to this level, and from here they will go up to this particular level. As you can see, guys, they're actually giving us that particular move. So I'm taking this out. Okay, let's go straight to 4 hours and see what's happening. What's happening in 4 hours. All right. Just like I said, I would still like to see this guy go to the upside. All right, to this particular upside here, take away this particular liquidity. That is what I would be. I would like to see this time. So this level here is important to them. So I would like to see something like this happen. To this level, then pull back and still continue the movement to the upside. We'll have liquidity here, we'll have liquidity here, and we'll have this. So this is where I will be anticipating serious pullback, at least 50%. So this is what I really want to see on this pair. So when it hits this level here, setting, so this is what we want to see. Come up to this level, take away this liquidity. Once it hits here, I would like to see a retracement up to 50% before we go to the movement to the upside. And this is what I want to see on this particular pair. Then if you go to a lower time frame, like 1 hour, because you know we'll have a block here. And there's liquidity resting above here. So I would like to see them trade into this level with an FVG, kind of an unbalanced candle. So then trading into it to flush this up. Then after this, I will look for something like this to come down, then up. That is what I want to see on this pair. Just like I say, that's what I would like to see on this pair. Let's go to the next one. AUD-USD. We analyzed that this was going to happen on AUD-USD. As you can see, it played out exactly as analyzed. It's hit into this particular fair value gap here. All right, it hits this level and up. So we still want to see these guys do what they know how to do best, and that is taking this thing to the upside, just the same way as it has been analyzed. So our analysis remains the same. So in worst case scenario, I would like to see a little manipulation to take away this, because here there is a trend line. There's a kind of something like a channel between here and here. All right. So I would still like to see them do some little manipulation. But for now, I trade what I see, but not what I feel. So I see these guys taking this trade to the upside. And for a start, you may see them get weak to get strong. So here we go. For this, it's heading to the particular FVG here. What's the real Alex? So I'll be expecting to see a manipulation in the morning once this London section starts. After which I'm expecting to see a trade to the upside, because this has traded into particular FVG. I would like to see them come down, take away this particular low. Then depending on what they give us, say, then we'll know where our bias is going to be. But for now, this is what I'm expecting. So I'm taking away this. And here also, we'll have this trading exactly as we have analyzed. As you can see, we analyzed that this USDCAD is going to go to the upside, then come back to the downside. As you can see, this was what we analyzed, and it's playing out exactly as analyzed. So here, between here and here, we'll have a fair value gap, so created in here. And I would like to see these guys trade into the particular fair value gap this way. Then to the upside, then to the downside. Why I'm saying that this is what I want to see is because if you go to a lower time frame, you will see that also we'll have fair value gaps here, and also we'll have an OB here that is important. So I can take this particular OB, put it in here. So I want to see this guy come in here. This is level. Come in here into this fair value gap, and possibly intercepting with this particular other block here. Then pull back to the downside after they've traded into this particular fair value gap. I would like to see that. Let's have the next one. The next one is USDCHF. USDCHF, who anticipated that it should hit this level for us, but they choose to use this particular one and hit this particular level. So, which is almost the same thing, because but we use this one, this block, then they use a particular block. So when they hit the particular level up, they start coming down. So we are still looking at USDCHF to keep going down. So this analysis is intact. They have nothing to fear about. All right, so that is it. And the next one, good. This was what we analyzed, right? Then yesterday, while we're having lecture, so we were anticipating these guys to give us, if they didn't want to give us the break into the particular first analysis, they should at least give us the second one. So as you can see, they held the level for a very long time. And after they were done with the level, they start going to the upside. This trend line liquidity, what gives me confirmation that they are going to sell this market down. Okay. So anything from here, we'll be looking for entry, break of market share in the lower time frame to what to sell down. Next one. NZDUSD. NZDUSD is still performing as expected. We want to see NZDUSD come back to this particular level before they start going up. Okay, let's go to the next one, and that is gold. Gold has actually given us something here, and what it has given us here, we're seeing a kind of a gap here. So I want to see gold play into the total level here to find its way up. The next one, We'll have Nasdaq. Nasdaq has performed exactly as analyzed. As you can see, guys, it came down to this particular level here and reverses down back again. So our analysis will remain the same on Nasdaq. Then US30 has not really come down. We were expecting them to come down here before they give us a particular push to the upside. But as you can see, they're continually going up. So you can actually, if you get an entry to take a trade to the upside, you can actually do so. But I would be expecting this to go that far or that long, then I'll be targeting the particular level. Then the GPUSD. GPUSD is amazing. So let's go straight to a lower time frame and see what happened GPUSD. We actually took this trade yesterday in my live section class. So we say that this is going to get into the particular level, they pull back, trade into this level, then go up. As you can see, it's actually playing out the manual as we analyzed it that yesterday. So we are actually looking at this. I'm going to 2 hours. I like to have this. I want to have this that's broken this structure, trade into this level between here and here, that's into this particular AVG. I want to see them flush down, pull down like this. And to the upside. That is what I would like to see here. All right, so this is where we're drawing cutting for today's training and the analysis. So I employ you to watch this and also be guided. And also remember that today we're having kind of a training today for those who are doing live section with us. And if you want to enroll for live section with us, kindly chat me up. Thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day.